Self-discipline. Nothing is free in this world. Everything has a price. Anybody who pays the price can walk out with it. The price may be hard work, taking the risk, working overtime, or sacrificing a favorite pastime. Our primary need in life is to get somebody who will shape us with what we have. At some point of time, that somebody makes his or her appearance like a parent, friend, or teacher. But when we become adults, we have to become that somebody. Self discipline is merely controlling ourselves, and if we don't do that, someone else will exercise control over us. We may not be able to control circumstances, but we can definitely control our response to such circumstances. When I was in the police, many poor people had approached me for some job, for survival, and I used to keep a record of their names and addresses. At the time of recruitment to fill up vacancies or while raising a new battalion, I used to call them and, if found fit in all respects, recruit them as constables, cooks, water carriers, or Safai Karmcharis, depending on their qualification and suitability to discharge such duties. Goodness gets multiplied and comes back multifold in some garb or other. The world mirrors back life the way we see or look at things. That is why the saying, what you see is what you get. If you see things only one way, as you are programmed, then you have no choices. Life is the reality full of infinite choices. I had a friend who used to make a list of things that needed to be done, like visiting the doctor, purchasing essential commodities, or paying the fee of the children at school, or remitting the installment of a loan on the due date. Then he marked the priority item with a red pencil. Every day he started with item number one and worked on it until he completed it. Then he started with item number two and so on. Once an American team visited Japan to study the innovative measures the Japanese adopted in Toyota company. When the Americans questioned them about what inspired their thinking, they said, "We learned it all from Henry Ford's book Today and Tomorrow, published in 1926. In that book, Ford had said, wealth was once measured in gold. Now it is measured in what we know. Your career success depends mostly on communication and the technical expertise you have. Students are in a mess because they don't listen to teachers. Politicians don't listen to voters except at the time of elections. Therefore, writing, reading, and speaking are essential in any interaction. To develop these skills, self discipline is the key. Thank you very much.